Hey everyone, my name is Jared Barnett. I work in the engineering department here at Diamond C. This week's fundamental is number 3, seek through understanding. It says that don't make assumptions, there's always more to the story than it first appears. Gather facts and perspectives before jumping to conclusions or making judgments. Ask why 5 times and how to learn and dig to the root cause. Be curious and question what you don't understand. And I relate to this closely because, in finding details and whatnot, I've learned to ask why 5 times in multiple different directions to an individual in conversation. And sometimes it'll pull more information out of them than they originally were intending to give, and it impacts chairlift design greatly. And even bill of materials and such, it helps find out more and more information the more questions you ask, even though sometimes it seems redundant. And I challenge you to view asking questions and asking why and how and all that, to not see it as a weakness, but to view it as a strength, because you have to remember that strength in having more knowledge, there's strength, and it's actually not a weakness, but having knowledge is actually powerful. You can make a difference